How to stop WhatsApp call log on iPhone call history. If you have your iPhone and you have a lot of WhatsApp call log here, then you can limit this on your iPhone as well on WhatsApp setting. So this video I will cover 3 simple steps. Don't ignore the number 3 because it might be the one your iPhone needs to eradicate the WhatsApp call log on your iPhone. First, go and tap on the WhatsApp app on your device. Now, if you are using the latest version of WhatsApp, tap on you here. Now go ahead and tap on privacy. Under privacy, scroll up until you get to calls. Tap on it. Now tap and disable silence or no callers. If this is enabled on your device, tap on it to disable. This might help you fix that problem of WhatsApp call log on your iPhone. The next thing you want to do is to use what is called screen time feature on your iPhone. This might help you to limit the time you spend on WhatsApp, thereby preventing WhatsApp from showing on your call log. So tap on settings to access this option. Then once you tap on settings, scroll up until you get to screen time on your device. Tap on it. Once tap on it, then scroll up and tap on app limits. Once tap on app limit, it comes out like this. Tap on app limit. Now provide your screen time passcode if you have one. Then it comes out like this. Go and tap social. Under social you have WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on settings button. Then you need to set a date and time for this, so that and make sure that you tap block at the end of limit and WhatsApp comes up. Then go ahead and tap on this check button. So by doing this, you'll be able to block WhatsApp call from your iPhone call log extreme. The last but not least on this process is very simple as well. It's still inside the settings button. Tap on the settings button again. Make sure you are at the beginning of display. Then go ahead and tap on your iCloud profile. Tap on it. Where is your name? Tap on it. Then tap on iCloud again from the option that comes up here. Then go ahead and tap on see all. Once tap on see all, scroll down to the base until you see WhatsApp. From the list of apps you have here, tap on WhatsApp. Once tap on WhatsApp, make sure that you disable or you turn off this button. Then this will help you to limit or take away WhatsApp call log on your iPhone call history. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share.